yeah, man, that was the me dyeing my hair. I hope y'all like that color, man. I don't know, it's a change, you know. Y'all know I always do my little, put it up like this, you can put it up, you know, have fun with it, man. I think it's gonna look better like that. If I rock it like this, like you see, like you can see the mix. Like that's the kind of thing I was going for like a transition. Not to look like a clown, but to transition it. You know what I mean? So if I don't think I'm gonna ever dye my hair again. I probably won't. This would probably be it. But I damn sure need a retwist and a haircut. I know y'all can see that. But like I said, I've been holding it, man. I've been holding my haircut, holding my retwist for when I leave on the 28th. It's coming up, man. It's gonna be a movie. Y'all know I'm gonna bring that whole vlog. Whole vlog gonna be lit. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial. Give it a like, bruh. If you think I should keep this color in. I don't care. I like my dreads looking crazy. I don't care. But if y'all think, y'all don't steal my swag. Nah, I'm playing, man. Y'all can steal my idea. I don't care. So this is a copper color, and then this is a blonde. So it's not red. It's copper. So y'all, hey man, y'all get us a like if y'all think I should rock this. Comment below if I should just cut it off or go all black. Let me know. Just comment below, man. Like, be real with me. You feel me? No cap.